क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपका घर एक ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट में हो जो कि ना कि सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट बल्कि एक टाउनशिप का पार्ट हो? आई मीन टू से आजकल हमने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स गुड़गांव में देखे हैं वो 10, 15, 20 या मैक्सिमम 25 एकर्स की लैंड बैंक बन रहे हैं। एंड इवन गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पे भी 2 से 3 एकड़ में प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे हैं। The biggest problem we are facing right now in today's time is the scarcity of land. But today I'm here to show you the biggest township of Gurgaon, which is in 1000 of acre. The township which I am talking about, it's none other than Central Park Flower Valley, which is located at sector 32 Sohna.
Artlist.io.
Hello everyone, myself Rachit Garg and I am from Administrator. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this township consists of plots, villas, independent floor, studio and service apartment along with 3 and 4 BHK high-rise. So today in this township a new project is coming up by the name of Bignonias. So here's a small brief about Bignonias. The land bank of this project is 7.5 acres in which 2 high-rise towers are there. The first one height is G plus 38 in which 3 BHK plus servant is there. The size will be 5195. Now talking about second tower, the height will be G plus 48 in which they are coming up with 4 BHK plus servant and the size will be 5581 square feet. Now let's have a look at the sample apartment. Let's take a tour. So as we enter, we are getting a good decent size of void space. So on my left hand side, you are getting a powder room. And on my right hand side, it's a first room. Basically, it's a guest room. So moving further, as you can see, you are getting a huge space of living and dining area where 8% maximum seater it's available. This is how you can manage the things you can see in here. Next, as we move further, here's a kitchen part in which you are getting all the white goods, as you can see, along with the upper cabinets, lower cabinets, hob and chimney. Now, this is a space which you can utilize as per your convenience. Like someone want to make bar, someone want to make puja room and office space, anything. You can convert this particular area according to your requirement. Now, moving further, here is a second room. So this is another guest room which you are getting along with the washroom attached and along with the balcony attached. So this is the third room, which you can use like as a parental room or kids room, whatever you like. So it's a good decent size you're getting along with the washroom attached. Last but not the least, here I'm going to show you the masterpiece of the apartment, that is master bedroom. As I'm going to show you, it's a huge decent size you are getting along with the sitting area, along with a walk-in closet and a washroom. So basically all over the apartment you're getting the Italian marble flooring you're also getting. The best part you will get only in 1000 acre of township is amenities. अगर बात करता हूँ कि क्या क्या मिलेगा, तो first one is cricket ground, not like a net cricket you will get. Second one, mind it, horse riding. अब आपको horse riding के लिए किसी horse riding club में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Third one, golf range of 9 holes, not like a ordinary golf, like इसमें आपको 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes मिलते हैं. And mind it, it's a restaurant, multi-cuisine restaurant where you can invite your Japanese friend for a live kitchen. So here's a few USPs of this township, of this project. The first one is this is the only and only project or township जहाँ पर आपको organic farming मिलेगी. Means you can have your own farming where you can grow your own organic vegetables. The second one, they are giving you, Central Park is giving you 8 acres of green area. Mind it, ये अगर हम बात करते हैं other developers की, तो उनका total ही project 8 एकड़ में होता है. But in this you are getting the 8 acres lifetime green area. Last but not the least, you are getting a 3 lakh square feet of clubhouse. It's not a regular or ordinary clubhouse. You are getting a 3 lakh square feet of clubhouse, which is apart from the other society's clubhouse. Talking about connectivity, this project directly connects from NH8. हमें यहाँ से राजीव चौक exit 10 से left लेना है, and from 80 minutes drive we are here on this project. So इस project से DMIC दिल्ली मुंबई इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर is just 5 minutes drive away from this project. And talking about जो सेक्टर्स है वहां से हार्डली 15 मिनट्स की ड्राइव पे है. सो दिस रोड्स इट्स अपकमिंग फ्रॉम DLF Arbor also. The add-on benefits you are getting in this township, it's you are getting in-house schools and medical facility. Schools you're getting Bignonia School, and talking about healthcare, so Medanta is here. If I talk about nearby, so GD Goenka and KM Mangalam, they are just walking distance away from this project. And about the medical facility, the Park Hospital is just nearby. We have multiple options available in this project. For more details and queries, you can contact us on a given number below. Thank you and have a good day.